We all know bananas have nutritional value, but they can also add value to your bottom line. Bananas represent nearly 6% of total produce department sales and up to 1% of total store sales. A well-executed banana program will make you money and save you money. By following the banana management procedures outlined in this video, you can improve customer loyalty and reduce shrink. When assembling store shipments at your warehouse, proper pallet building is essential to maintaining product integrity. Place slip sheets between banana boxes and pallets. Use poly bags and shrink wrap to the bottom of the pallet to avoid chill damage during transport. Insert a pallet between banana boxes and other heavy items to distribute weight evenly and avoid injuring bananas. When bananas arrive at your store, bring them inside immediately to avoid extremes of hot or cold. Once inside, remove the box lids and pull back the plastic coverings. This releases any heat that is accumulated during transit. Even at their ideal temperature range, bananas continue to ripen at approximately a half stage per day. To add strength and prevent crushing, invert the box lids and cross-stack no more than 4 boxes high. To maintain box integrity, store them on a clean, dry surface. With bananas, first in, first out inventory control principles do not necessarily apply. Evaluate the fruit in each box for its color stage and separate the boxes accordingly. Bananas should always stay within the safe temperature range of 56 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. The ideal range for backroom storage is 56 to 60 degrees. Temperatures below 56 degrees can cause a graying of the peel. Consumers will typically reject gray fruit, resulting in increased shrink. Temperatures above 65 degrees can cause the banana pulp to become overly soft, leading to excessive bruising, accelerated ripening, and a reduced shelf life. Be temperature aware and store bananas away from areas such as cooler doors, windows, exterior walls, heating units, and any hot or cold drafts. Just touching the banana's skin does not accurately measure temperature. A pulp thermometer will provide precise temperature readings, but remember not to hold the fruit by the pulp while taking your reading. Bananas with pulp temperatures between 56 and 60 degrees will typically progress 1/2 color stage per day. Bananas with pulp temperatures between 60 and 65 degrees will typically progress 1 full color stage per day. If your bananas are progressing more than 1 color stage per day, carefully check your storage procedures. Bananas are sensitive and bruise easily. To minimize handling, transfer them to the display in their shipping boxes. Never drop the boxes or dump the bananas onto a display. Handle bananas by the crown to reduce damage and loose fingers. Observe a consistent policy for moving loose fingers. Display bananas on a stair-step table or other appropriate fixture to maximize visibility. They should rest on a non-abrasive, well-padded surface to minimize bruising. The bananas should be 1 layer deep to reduce bruising and scarring. Avoid stacking the fruit more than 2 layers whenever possible. Displaying bananas with their crowns up and the fruit facing forward encourages your customers to handle them properly. Keep your displays full, clean, and well culled. Understocked displays can decrease sales by 15%. Secondary banana displays can increase sales by 15% by encouraging impulse purchases. An ideal spot for secondary displays is near the store entrance. Other high-trafficked areas also work well, such as the front-end checkout area, the cereal aisle or end cap, the bakery aisle or end cap, the video department, and the milk or ice cream sections, which should be monitored regularly for temperature. For best results, use displays and point of sale designed specifically for selling DOLE bananas. A 2-color program display that contains both yellow and green bananas can increase sales. It encourages customers to buy some for now and some for later. Use DOLE point-of-sale materials to educate consumers about your banana program. All of your DOLE banana displays are more effective with appropriate signage, including price and nutrition information. Promotions and tie-ins that feature clear signage can really increase sales for bananas and related products. Focusing on customer buying patterns and traffic flow will lead to a successful banana program. Get to know your consumers and develop merchandising solutions that fit their needs. Maximize your program by training staff in the basics of banana management. Use a daily checklist to track handling, storage, and merchandising concepts, and follow through on all essential procedures. If you need assistance, DOLE's technical services team can help perfect your banana program operation. Operating an effective DOLE banana program reduces shrink, increases sales, and shows customers you care about quality. It's a winning proposition for you, your customers, and DOLE.